cooler performs well. Typically in games I'm hovering around 60-70 C under load. During idle on desktop is around 35-40 C. The cooler has been revised, or different version, where it now has an ARGB connector to your MB. This will allow you to control it with your motherboard's software, which is great. Overall, great for the price and a nice addition to your computer if you're into RGB. Only con would be during the shipping or packing. Product came with around 5 fins bent. With high quality and black frame and transparent acrylic fan blade which can effectively reflect lights and making the lighting brighter and softer. The appearance is a perfect match for gaming computer case and radiator. 5 heat pipes with exclusive direct contact technology provide fast heat transfer and maintain the excellent operation of CPU. Direct touching copper base is adopted to fit CPU, as well as improving optimal contact area and thermal conductivity.